taking that dash off. Why? Because I want to. When? Right now. In 4Runner. Now this is a 25. Yep, 25. I just looked. And this comes in handy because it goes right in between the crack. And you see I already removed everything because I was like starting without you. Now these guys are actually better with, gotta buy this thing, get up under these. These are like, they like to stretch. So you really gotta get back behind them. Or if you can try to weasel them out this way, it's tough, but they will come out, obviously. All right. Now that reveals this hieroglyphic alien look-alike language thing, because I have no idea what this thing is. I think it's an inverted coffee cup holder. I don't know what that is. So let's put that back. I think it's from Transformers, actually. It goes this way. Now, this just pops out. Again, there's more clips. This helps from here. You can go behind here. Pull. Pull. Now, getting on the under here, we have a 1 Phillip or 8. Another one on this side. But do you have to take it out? No, because that one's for that. I took that out earlier. But these tabs, you pull down, push in, and they'll pull down. Push in and pull down. Now, this, what this is good for, come in from the back side, all right, and push that little lever down. You see? You see? And this slides toward the ground. All right, now you just pull. That's not too bad. And are they color coded? For the most part, but I would take a video or a picture before you unplug them. I'm sure you only unplug them one way, or they plug in back one way, but I think they don't. I think Toyota, I've done this before. Just make sure you get the right ones and where they go. The rest of it, I guess you can do the airbag, this, and this pops off. Ow! And that's where that screw comes in. That's for this guy. You see? Now, as far as the airbag, I don't need to take it out, but 10 mil, and 10 mil, and 10 mil. And there's probably another one under here. Yeah, there's another one right there. So there's 4 in total. But that's the airbag, you don't need to do that. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, and it all just pops right back in. Let's see. There are guides. Come on. Or not. There we go. We got the wrong hole. Yeah. 2 ends is better than 1. So, there you have it. Seriously? Okay, that tucks under. So it goes like right in front of it. That's what that was holding me up. There you go. And thanks for watching.